My very first Hindi venture, I worked with the biggest star of this country. I'm happy. Maybe I was meant to do one song with Salman sir.
What went wrong with Antim?
I shot for the film. I shot for my character in the film. We did 2 songs. But the film didn't work out eventually. Salman sir, when he came in the film, there was a pressure, I think, to have the heroine. Because if Salman sir is in the film, there need to be a full track for him as well. There needs to be his story and his love interest and songs and all of that.
मैंने सुना पहले भी you were supposed to work with अक्षय कुमार.
I don't think उसको हम बहुत सीरियसली ले सकते हैं. इंटरनेट पे बहुत है तो मुझे भी नहीं समझ में आता how to handle it. उस टाइम पे मुझे लगता था कि शायद ये फिल्म होने वाली है. And I will work with Akshay sir. And then after so many years, it's actually with him.
आप रियल लाइफ में चीटिंग कैसे टॉलरेट करते हो? और are you someone you don't tolerate?
I'm not somebody who's okay with something like this. I want 100% loyalty, commitment, honesty, truth. It's not about when you do the Hindi film. It's about which movie you do, which has been more important to me. I wanted to start with the right film, the right story, the right set of actors, the right director. बीच में बहुत सारी फिल्में almost हुई फिर नहीं हुई.
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble. I am Akriti Bagla and today I can say I am with someone जिन्होंने हाल ही में मचाया बवाल, Pragya Jaiswal. Pragya, hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble.
Oh wow, what a fun intro.
Thank you so much. Even you know, just like your movie खेल खेल में the fun vibe it is exuding and all. I want to know जब खेल नहीं बोलूंगी when you guys were shooting the movie. खेल ही था. Exactly. How was that game overall?
I think ये हम लोग ना काफी टाइम से सभी लोग को बता रहे हैं कि जब when we went to shoot there was such a lovely vibe between you know all the actors, director, producer. हम सारे साथ में बैठ के खाना खाते थे. We used to make sure that all our meals when we were shooting were together. हम साथ में गाने सुनते थे, हम सारे जोक्स क्रैक करते थे, जोक्स सुनते थे. It was an amazing vibe which I have never experienced in any film set before. So we had a lot of fun. एक तो आमी ने आई थिंक एक हमारे ट्रेलर लॉन्च में बोल दिया था, ऐसा लग रहा था कि खाना खाने गए थे, पिक्चर बना के आ गए.
That's what I asked you ना कि खेल था, मूवी था,
खेल में मस्ती में हमने पूरी पिक्चर शूट कर ली. Obviously we were very disciplined and focused when we were working. But आप जानते हो हमारे like शूटिंग कैसे होती है कि एक सीन हुआ then you have to change the light setup ये वो. तो in between बहुत फ्री टाइम मिलता है. उस टाइम पे हम लोग लूडो खेला करते थे, साथ में जोक्स सुना करते थे, गाने सुनते थे. It was a lot of fun. So best experience.
But you know also Pragya, the movie revolves around the concept of ठीक है एक fun element है through the game. ठीक है how cheating, infidelity, a lot of lies are there. मतलब झूठ बोलने से कितना कुछ खराब हो जाता है is what we have seen in the film. Do you agree with those concepts?
अरे most definitely. I think हमारी मूवी में बहुत ही funny और बहुत ही entertaining तरीके से बहुत important messages कम्युनिकेट किए हैं कि आजकल के ज़माने में एक रिलेशनशिप में बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हो सकती हैं या छुपाई जा सकती हैं जो रिलेशनशिप को ख़राब कर दे. यू नो और बहुत सारे इम्पोर्टेंट बातें भी बोली गई हैं अबाउट अ पर्सन्स ओरिएंटेशन. यू नो कि कितनी चीज़ें आजकल सोसाइटी में एक्सेप्ट होती हैं या नहीं होती हैं. यू नो सो आई एम सो ग्लैड कि हमने बहुत ही अमेजिंग एंटरटेनमेंट कॉमेडी फिल्म बनाई है बट विथ अ स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज. यू नो सो इससे ज्यादा एंटरटेनिंग तरीके से हम इतने इंपॉर्टेंट मैसेजेस कम्युनिकेट नहीं कर सकते थे. सो इट हैज अ ब्यूटिफुल मीनिंग you know all these messages but also there's so much laughter and comedy and fun कि आप कोई भी चीज में ना बहुत ज्यादा घुसोगे नहीं बट आपको मैसेज समझ में आ जाएगा. यू नो कोई आपको भाषण नहीं दे रहा वहां पे, आप हंसी मजाक खेलते मस्ती करते करते बहुत सारी चीजें सीख के जाओगे.
But Pragya, how do you tolerate cheating? Because you know, like we see in the movie, how your partner is somewhere or the other cheating on you. आप real life में cheating कैसे tolerate करते हो? और are you someone you don't tolerate cheating?
मतलब it's a firstly very tough question to answer because in personal life I don't think luckily touch wood God has been kind. I have not gone through anything like this.
Yeah.
But I know that I am not somebody who is going to be okay. I don't know who will be okay with something like that. I know that today a lot of relationships have a certain dynamic and people have their I'm okay with this and I'm not okay with this sort of boundaries also. But I'm not somebody who's okay with something like this. I want 100% loyalty, commitment, honesty, truth. मुझे नहीं चलेगा ये ऐसा.
somewhere or the other, we also see how a certain couple lies to each other due to certain circumstances. But if I ask you, are you someone who prefers कि ठीक है सच बोल के hurt कर दो, या you are like कि नहीं झूठ बोल के maybe I can cover up, तब तक cover up करती हूँ?
ये बहुत ही tricky question है क्योंकि ना it really depends on the situation.
Situation.
I am somebody who's an advocate of truth at all times.
Yeah.
I am somebody who's that कि जो भी है even if it's hurtful, tell me the truth. I'm that person. बट ना अभी कुछ महीनों से ये डिस्कशंस इतने हो रहे हैं, आई हैव हर्ड सम ब्यूटीफुल थिंग्स दैट आई आल्सो रेड वंस व्हिच आई डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड. शायद पहले मैच्योरिटी नहीं थी इतनी. अब मैं वो चीजें सुनती हूँ तो उसका मतलब समझ में आता है. आई हर्ड समथिंग लाइक एनी ट्रूथ व्हिच इज नॉट ब्यूटीफुल एंड एनी ब्यूटी व्हिच इज नॉट ट्रूथफुल आर ऑफ नो यूज टू ह्यूमैनिटी. मैंने कहा ये तो बड़ा अच्छा एक्सक्यूज है झूठ बोलने का. पहले ऐसा लगता था, बट आई थिंक कभी कभी कोई डायर इमरजेंसी या कुछ ऐसी सिचुएशन हो जहां मे बी सच छुपा के कोई खुशी मिल रही है या किसी को खुशी मिल रही है. आई फील अगर कोई बहुत ही ज्यादा एक्सट्रीम सिचुएशन हो जहां इसके अलावा कोई ऑप्शन नहीं, then do it. But other than that, stick to truth.
But Pragya, a lot of people are touting this movie as your Bollywood debut, right? Yeah. Why did it took you 10 years to finally, maybe say make that mark or work in such an ensemble Bollywood movie, if I ask?
Yeah, itna lambe samay you're making me sound like it's been not been 10 years, yeah, 7-8 years. But I've been primarily working in the South, right? And I feel like it's not about when you do the Hindi film. It's about which movie you do, which has been more important to me. Yeah. I wanted to start with the right film, the right story, the right set of actors, the right director, the right kind of character. And I'm so glad it's this film that I'm starting my Hindi film career with, because I couldn't have asked for a better start. This has been the most enriching shooting experience of my life. I learned so much. I grew so much as an artist and as a person that I feel अगर आपकी destiny में जो लिखा होता है वो ही आपके लिए बेस्ट होता है. और शायद मेरी डेस्टिनी में अगर ये फिल्म से मेरी स्टार्ट लिखी थी, मे बी दिस इज द बेस्ट फिल्म आई कुड हैव स्टार्टेड विथ. बीच में बहुत सारी फिल्में ऑलमोस्ट हुई, फिर नहीं हुई, ऐसा हुआ है. बट समवेयर डीप डाउन आई न्यू कि जब भी हिंदी फिल्म होगी ना, वो इतनी सही होगी कि उससे बेटर कोई और फिल्म नहीं हो सकती थी. So I feel like time laga, but at least it's a good film. It's a film that I'm proud of.
Yeah, and you mentioned Abhi ki okay, you were maybe given certain opportunities which didn't work out. Here I would like to point two things. मैंने सुना पहले भी you were supposed to work with Akshay Kumar in a movie and it could not happen.
तो actually वो बहुत ही preliminary stage पे ही नहीं हुई. I don't think उसको हम बहुत seriously ले सकते हैं. इंटरनेट पे बहुत है तो मुझे भी नहीं समझ में आता how to handle it. पर मैंने बहुत स्टार्टिंग में, मैंने शायद किसी इंटरव्यू में बोला होगा, बहुत ही पहले जब मैंने अपनी फर्स्ट तेलुगु फिल्म की थी, that time I got chosen for that Telugu film because I had auditioned for a Hindi film here in Bombay, जो अक्षय सर के साथ एक तेलुगु डायरेक्टर बना रहे थे, क्रिश सर. तो वो फिल्म अक्षय सर के साथ कर रहे थे, तो मैंने उस फिल्म का ऑडिशन किया था जिसमें मैं शॉर्टलिस्ट हुई थी. When I got shortlisted for that film, obviously the director and everybody had met me. We've done look tests and all of that. But later it didn't work out. But then I ended up doing a Telugu film with the same director because he liked me so much in this audition. So that is how it happened. But वो फिल्म में मेरा कुछ final नहीं हुआ था. मैंने सिर्फ एक audition किया था. But yeah, I was never really supposed to work with him. I had just auditioned for a film with him. But yeah, I think in some strange, beautiful way, life does come around a full circle. क्योंकि उस टाइम पे मुझे लगता था कि शायद ये फिल्म होने वाली है. And I will work with Akshay sir. And then after so many years, it's actually with him. Yeah. So yeah, it's a lovely coincidence.
It was Gabbar is back, right?
Yeah.
Gabbar is back. But apart from that, which films did you audition? And you were like, ठीक है नहीं work out हुआ. Now does it hurt you कि क्यों नहीं work out हुआ type?
नहीं यार, I'm not somebody who dwells on something that didn't work out for me. मैं बिल्कुल वैसी इंसान नहीं हूँ. I in this industry now, if you have to survive and you have to be happy, you really cannot be sitting with rejections कि काश ये हो जाता था या काश मैं बड़ी दुखी हूँ, परेशान हूँ, it didn't work out. No, I'm not that girl at all. If it worked out, fantastic. If things didn't work out, it's for my best. I truly believe in that. So I have no regrets. I don't think there were obviously so many films that you see कि काश मैं इसमें होती, but those films never even came to me. तो मतलब there is no need to feel bad. You were never even considered for it. Till you make a start, you're not really being considered for films, It's only when you start is when people take your work and you as a professional a bit more seriously. So I don't think I've really had any regrets like that. There have been a lot of rejections, but वो तो हमारी life के part and parcel होते हैं as actors. You go end up making a lot of calls, you do meetings, you do auditions, you do look tests, but वो तो रोज की बात है. As actors, as models. So I started in this industry, so फिर there is no surprise for me कि अरे ये film didn't work out. It doesn't matter, it didn't work out. Me something better is waiting for you.
Yeah, but worst reason. What have you heard for rejection? Like why were you rejected? ऐसा कोई worst reason सुना?
आप वो reason सुनोगे ना तो you will be like ये भी reason हो सकता है.
Yeah.
Too pretty for this role. I'm like ये is it a bad thing? नहीं, this girl is too pretty for this role. मैंने कहा अच्छा जी, तो मतलब ये भी अभी एक प्रॉब्लम हो गई है. इसमें फिट नहीं बैठेगी. मैंने कहा pretty होना is a good thing ना.
But usually I've heard ये चीज़ ना south side होती है. Like when you work down
वहाँ पे तो मेरे को कोई rejection नहीं होती है.
Exactly, that's what I was coming on.
वहाँ पे तो very happy कि very pretty, very nice.
But I've also heard कि South में getting good opportunities in South is easier than Bollywood. Is it true?
नहीं यार, आई थिंक आपकी लक और आपकी टाइमिंग की बात है. आपको जिस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए कंसिडर किया जा रहा है उसकी बात है. इट्स वेरी वेरी सब्जेक्टिव कि अगर आप किसी प्रोजेक्ट में फिट हो रहे हो तो लैंग्वेज डजंट मैटर. दे आर लुकिंग फॉर अ पर्सन हु लेट्स से लुक्स लाइक यू. द कैरेक्टर इन द फिल्म सूट्स दिस पर्सन. सो इट्स ओनली अबाउट दैट. और फिर टाइमिंग की बात है कि आपको उस टाइम पे कौन सा फिल्म में उस टाइप का कैरेक्टर मिल रहा है. लकीली I started with a film in the South.
Yeah.
Us time pe I was just this princessy, royal sort of character in my first Telugu film, which was absolutely phenomenal. Matlab, I couldn't have asked for a better start in Telugu. And it worked so well with my height and my stature and my look that, people accepted me in that industry instantly.
Yeah.
So, wo time tha where they were making a film like that, where I fit in the role. And yahan pe I think the time is now where I fit into Naina's role. So yeah.
But Pragya, what went wrong with Antim then? Because I saw your clips, you had even done a song for Antim, right?
I shot for the film.
Yeah.
I shot for my character in the film. We did 2 songs. But the film didn't work out eventually क्योंकि I think वो character ना is a remake of a film.
Yeah.
Of a Marathi film. जिसमें मेरा character था ही नहीं.
Okay.
वो ये girl थी नहीं opposite the cop character which was played by Salman sir. तो अब Salman sir, when he came in the film, there was a pressure, I think, to have the heroine. Because if Salman sir is in the film, there need to be a full track for him as well. There needs to be his story and his love interest and songs and all of that. But eventually, na, jab wo logo ne, I think all the important people associated with the film, when they saw the film, I think they felt that it's going away from what they were making.
Yeah.
The original idea. And I think they decided only for the best interest of the film and even me. Because if that track is not working in the film, then it may not help the film and it may not help me as an actor. So it was taken in the best interest, the decision, and I'm very happy. I worked with Salman sir. I'm very happy. I did a song which is out for the world to see. So
definitely.
I'm grateful for the experience. Yeah, there are certain things which are in your hands. There are certain things which are not in your hands. So why worry about the things that you can't change? Let's be grateful you got to experience that. In my very first Hindi venture, I worked with the biggest star of this country. I'm happy. There is a song for the world to see. Sabko pata hai maine kaam kiya hai. That's enough, Maybe I was meant to do one song with Salman sir.
Yeah,
I think grateful.
And I think working with people like them, you sort of take these things with a pinch of salt.
Yes,
like.
And he was so sweet and he was so positive and so supportive about the decision, and he was so supportive towards me that Pragya, we'll make sure you have the best debut. If it's not with me, I will make sure you still do good in this industry, and we're there to support you. You're sitting in this office today. This is
interviewing you for a
Salman
very good
sir's office. Yeah, this is UBT. This is his agency. So he's there as this person who has your back. So if he's taken you under his wing, he's like, "ठीक है, चलो बेटा, like now this is your journey. If it's not to start with me, it'll start with somebody else, maybe in another project, but I'm here. So what can I ask for more than this?
You know, Pragya, you said a very right thing, that some things are not in our hand and not even in our control.
Absolutely.
Recently, Khel Khel mein, no doubt, it garnered rave reviews.
Yeah.
And let me tell you, when even I went to the theater, like we discussed, there were couples sitting, there were youngsters sitting, and they were like, you know, cracked up with the jokes and stuff. But did it somewhere or the other pinch you that it clashed with 2 other films and didn't get maybe the recognition it could have got?
See, यार recognition जो है ना, वो भी कोई कैसे पहले से assume कर सकता है? You can't predict these things. Which film will eventually do well on that day? 2 महीने के बाद, क्योंकि dates तो बहुत पहले decide होती है ना. तो nobody can really predict. When the movie comes out, you just keep your fingers crossed ki, you know, let's hope some miracle happens and the film does well, because it definitely deserves all the love. Every time whoever has gone to watch the film, अब हम लोग को तो पता चलता है ना, as actors, we get to hear from everyone. Friends, family तो ठीक है. Friends and families are hearing from their other relatives and friends and other people. You get to know the real thing eventually कि लोग आपकी फिल्म पसंद कर रहे हैं कि नहीं. आपको reality check 100% मिलता है. ये पहली फिल्म है where I've got 100% positive reviews. There is not one person who's gone inside and just come कि हाँ ठीक है. No, everyone who's gone has laughed, has enjoyed every character, has laughed at the jokes, is fully entertained and come out कि यार बहुत मजा आया. That is the feedback we've got from everybody who's seen the film. Now, how many people have seen the film is the question. But again, I'm still hopeful, and I just feel like it may feel like a re-release when it comes on OTT, when the world actually watches it at home with a free mind and enjoys the film. So obviously somewhere you feel like the film could have had a bigger success, but ab kya karoge? It's not something in your hands. There's nothing you can change. All you can do or be is feel proud that you made a really good film. You told a good, really entertaining story. You spread love and joy and happiness. And that's the best one can do as an actor, right?
And you know, since the film is also a remake, Pragya, like we even discussed about Antim ki wo bhi ek remake hi thi, right? You know, we have been exposed to OTT to an extent that now we know what content the world cinema is providing us. Somewhere or the other, do you think that OTT has hampered this culture of remakes and all?
You know, Akriti, that's a very, very interesting question. As much as there's a lot of debate about remakes not working.
Exactly.
There is a very strong debate going on lately कि remakes नहीं बननी चाहिए क्योंकि लोगों ने तो पहले देख लिए हैं, you know, इस language में release हुई थी, इस platform में release हुई थी, इतने लोगों ने देखी. But let me give you an example. Drishyam, successful or not? Very successful in both the languages, despite being a remake. Shaitan. So there is no real rule ki remakes are not working. It's really about, I think, what the audience wants to see at this point of time and whatever subject they are connecting with. So definitely remakes के साथ ऐसा होता है कि बहुत लोगों ने maybe OTT में देखी है, but if it's a damn good film ना, it'll work. Definitely. Like Khel Khel में is an adaptation. It's not a remake, it's an adaptation, and it's fully adapted to an Indian audience culture and mentality and this vibe. It's not the remake which is a problem. I feel it's just कि audience का क्या mood है उस वक्त देखने का, क्योंकि remakes भी super hits हुए हैं ना इसी साल 2024 में. Also we've seen some films which have done really well which are not remakes. So I don't think that's a valid point
to maybe not see a film. Definitely
है ना, क्योंकि बहुत सारे remakes भी super hits हुए हैं इसी साल.
Definitely. But have you had such conversations with Akshay Kumar, who is probably, you know, maybe right now under scrutiny for maybe working only in remakes or his films not working?
Yeah, I have too much respect for Akshay sir, and I think उनके level के actor और superstar के साथ ना मैं ये बात नहीं कर सकती. He has so much of experience. Who am I to talk to him or have an intellectual discussion about cinema and the kind of films he is doing or not? Sir has worked in the industry, has been a star for so many decades, has made generations laugh and cry with him. in films कि वो जो भी डिसाइड कर रहे हैं अपनी लाइफ के लिए, अपने करियर के लिए, I'm sure he's thought through it यार. मतलब it doesn't sound right. छोटा मुंह बड़ी बात. How can I speak anything to him or on behalf of him? You know, he's there. He knows what he's doing, and I'm sure he's doing the right thing for himself.
What are the offers coming to you now after Khel Khel Mein?
Right now, doing 2 films in the South, which
I know one.
I'm very, very excited about. Very interesting 2 films I'm doing in the South, and in Hindi, we are in conversation for a couple of very exciting projects. But fingers crossed.
South one, I know, and even I am excited for that.
I'm glad.
Okay, moving to fun segment. It is who's most likely to, and I'll tell some situations and you have to say who from the cast is most likely to get trapped in those situations. Okay. You can take your name only once.
Okay. Very smart.
Okay, who is most likely to be the driving force behind everyone doing their work?
2 people. Mudassar, who's the director of our film, because he makes sure everybody's doing them. I think it has to be Mudassar.
Okay, be the laziest person on set. Okay.
डांट पड़ेगी मुझे इसमें. Laziest, there's nobody who is lazy. Everybody is super like enthu and on time and disciplined. But फिर भी अगर आप मुझे force करेंगे, नहीं.
Once, like I said.
Not me. I'm not lazy. No, but I think Amy थोड़ा सा मस्ती करके आराम से कभी आ सकता है. But still he's still very, very punctual and disciplined.
Okay, enter a party with like enthusiasm.
Amy! Full enthu for a party.
Who's most likely to get drunk and create a scene at a party?
हम इतने ऐसे environment में भी नहीं थे कि get drunk and create a scene. नहीं, ऐसा तो कोई भी नहीं है.
Okay, who is funniest of all?
सारे answers Amy को ही जा रहे हैं. Amy.
Fardeen is not funny.
Fardeen is, I mean, sense of humor तो है, but Amy अलग ही है. Amy आता है चल के सेट पे तो माहौल बन जाता है. You know, he's like that. Amy, Taapsee were the funniest actually.
Taapsee, yeah.
Amy and Taapsee were the
funniest.
मजे आते थे जब वो सेट पे होते थे.
Give perfect advice.
Akshay sir and Fardeen both.
Be a secretive person on set. Who is like the most secretive person?
सारे ही secretive, मतलब सारे एक दूसरे के friends थे, but I mean your friends only एक level के ना काम कर रहे हो साथ में. सबके मतलब there's no secretive person as such. Introverted, slightly introverted, maybe Vani,
yeah. Okay. Lastly, who is critical of their own work?
Of their own work?
Yeah.
I think most conscious would be me.
Yeah.
मैं क्योंकि सबसे नई थी उस टेबल पे, तो I would be like मैं ठीक कर रही हूँ कि नहीं, देखते हैं.
And Pragya, you know, lastly, I will wind this up by asking you, you know, the beautiful part about your character was how she hides her depression.
Yeah.
To all those suffering from mental health issue or are at their lowest today, not today, but at any point in life, what advice would you give them?
See, I'm not somebody who's ever personally gone through something like that. So there's only one thing that I know that, you know, from my understanding of what this problem can be, that one must be able to talk to an expert and share with a close person. It could be a family member or a close friend. Share what you're going through. And if you absolutely need treatment, if it doesn't help by just sharing and confiding in another person, then seek help, because it's probably just like any other ailment that a person suffers from, and you just need to get treated for it like any other problem. So I think confide in a friend or family and seek treatment if required, and you'll be okay, hopefully.
Thank you so much, Pragya. Really looking forward to meet you again.
Really looking forward to it. Thank you. Hi, my name is Pragya Jaiswal and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble.